How would you explain the quality of divine inspiration and how that can benefit a person?
Divine inspiration is basically inspiration. We all need inspiration. It doesn't matter what we do, we need inspiration to succeed. So divine inspiration is we've got the highest, the biggest boss in the whole universe, inspiring us, giving us inspiration to succeed. To fulfill our dream by taking actions. Like that, to step up. When before we step up, we keep moving forward. We don't look back and dwell in fear, negativities. We move forward, and we feel hope. We feel confident that we can achieve anything.